That's the window near the door. This is the kitchen. Sink. Old ass washing machine. New stove. More counter space. Fridge. Kind of old. And then cabinets. And then that's the living room. Pantry. Closet thing. Living room. Weird lights that I can dim. And backyard porchy thing. So the other way. I think the cats can probably climb that. So I might have to put some netting up. I don't know what that is. A lot of mosquitoes back here, holy crap. Hose. Yeah, I think maybe I'll put netting up. Just to be safe. The closets again. And then there's more closet space. And then here's my bedroom. There's the window. Nothing nice to look at, but whatever. And closet. And then bathroom, shower, tub, toilet, sink.